Good morning children, welcome to my class. So in class 4 English language we are going to do prepositions. This is lesson 16. Okay, we have already discussed about this lesson in our live class and we have already done all the exercises, but still I am doing it again. Okay, you can see the video. We will be doing all the exercises in this video. Alright, so what are prepositions? So prepositions show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Okay, we know this, isn't it? Alright, so now we are going to start the exercises, alright, because we have already discussed about this lesson. I explained you about this lesson. Okay, now you see here, fill in the blanks using at, on or in. We have to use the preposition at, on or in. Okay, so you see here, exercise A, you please see everyone. See here, Mehul came to Kolkata on Monday. When he came on Monday, okay? Mehul came to Kolkata on Monday in the morning. When he came in the morning, okay? He landed at 7 a.m. because see here time is there, 7 a.m. Alright, here you see, here I already explained to you that a specific moment in time. Okay, specific moment in time where we use at, like at 7 a.m. He landed at 7 a.m. at half an hour's time. Here also see, time span is given half an hour's time. At half an hour's time, okay, he reached his cousin's house. His cousins lives on the 10th floor, okay, on the 10th floor. Alright, in a big housing complex. His cousin lives on the 10th floor in a big housing complex. Mehul makes it point to be with Mia, his cousin, on her birthday. Okay, on we are using here on her birthday. He even organized a party for her in the evening. Alright, in the evening. The entire family celebrated Mia's birthday with great enthusiasm. Alright, once again you see here, Mehul came to Kolkata on Monday, where we use on. So you see here it is given a specific day or date. So Monday specific day we are using on. Okay, we have already done all these things, but still Mehul came to Kolkata on Monday in the morning. He landed at 7 a.m. At half an hour's time. He reached his cousin's house. His cousin, spelling is wrong here. You see here, his cousin lives on the 10th floor in a big housing complex. Mehul makes it a point to be with Mia, his cousin, on her birthday. He even organized a party for her in the evening. The entire family celebrated Mia's birthday with great enthusiasm. Okay, now we are going to do exercise B. Alright, children, please see, this is exercise B. Complete the passage using suitable prepositions from the brackets we are doing. Alright, okay, we have to choose the suitable one, which will be the correct one. Okay, which will suit the sentence, you can say. Alright, you see here, Anil goes dash the golf course every day. We have to choose between to and by. So Anil goes to, okay, if you go somewhere, Anil goes to the golf course every day. He practices, okay, now he practices dash the morning, in or at. So he practices in the morning. Okay, time span is given, so in the morning. Okay, when? In the morning. Alright, okay, for an hour. So here it is given for or on. So we have to use for, okay, for an hour. So 1 hour, for an hour. Okay, alright. Before going to school, in front of or before. So before going to school. Alright, now you see one sentence, full stop is there. Anil goes to the golf course every day. He practices in the morning for an hour before going to school. Okay, now next line. His elder brother goes by or with. So his elder brother goes with him, along with him, okay, with him. But he is not very good at playing golf, at or to, okay. But he is not very good at playing golf. Alright, okay. So he just sits up or on. So he just sits on the green grass, because here we are using on because on the surface, alright, on the green grass, and gazes dash the blue sky, at or over. So gazes at the blue sky or becomes engrossed dash between in his book. So becomes engrossed in his book. Okay, in his book. He enjoys sitting on or in the ground. So he enjoys sitting on the ground. Again, surface is here because if you sit on the ground, always on the ground, not never we use in the ground. Okay, you see this exercise once again. Anil goes to the golf course every day. He practices in the morning for an hour before going to school. His elder brother goes with him, but he is not very good at playing golf. So he just sits on the green grass and gazes at the blue sky or becomes engrossed in his book. He enjoys sitting on the ground. Okay, children, so we have done this, alright. Now you see, children, we are going to do exercise C. Complete the sentences with suitable prepositions from the brackets. Here also we will choose, but here you see a picture is given. You can clearly see here that a picture is given here on page number 122. So according to the picture, we are going to do this. Alright, you see here the books are above the bed. Where are the books? You see it is above the bed. Where we use above? When it's very high. Alright, if you see on page 121, we use on, over and above depending on how high the object or person is. Okay, on, then over, then above. Okay, so according to the position of the object we decide. Again you see here, similarly we use under, below and beneath depending on how the object or person is. How down you can say, under, below or beneath. According to the position of the object or the person, we can decide all these prepositions. Alright. Okay. So you see here the books are above or beneath. Here also choice is given. So it becomes very easy for you to select. Okay. Exercise C we are doing number 1. The books are above the bed. Alright. You see. Number 2. The bear is on the bed. You see where is the bear? It is on the bed. Number 3. The bear is lying under the blanket. Where is the bear lying? Under the blanket it is. You see. Number 4, the toys are on the table. Where are the toys? They are kept on the table. You see, the toys are on the table. Number 5, the clock is above the toys. Where is the clock? We have to use above. Okay, the clock is above the toys. Alright. Okay. The blanket, number 6, the blanket is over the beer. Where is the blanket? It is over the beer. Because it is on top, you can say. Okay. So after on we use over. So you have to keep in mind where is the, because your choice is there, over or under the beer. The blanket is over the beer. Alright. Number 7, you see the stool is between or in front of the bed. So the stool is in front of the bed. Okay. So you can do this exercise C in the book itself. You do it. Alright. Number D you see. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct prepositions from the box. You see one box is given here. And the prepositions are all given here. But picture is also given here. You see. So the orange book. Where is the orange book? You can see. The orange book is between the green and the blue one. Where is the orange book? It is between. You see. Two books between the green. One green book is this side and the blue one is on that side. So the orange book is between the green and the blue one. Alright. Next one you see. Ram put the dishes on the table. Where do we use on? On the table where there is surface. So here the surface is there. On the table. Number 3, you see the lion was saved by the mouse. Who saved the lion? A mouse. So by the mouse. Okay. The plane arrives at midnight. Again you see here midnight. Midnight means 12 o'clock at night. So the plane arrives at midnight. Specific time is given. Midnight. Okay. The thief jumped over the wall. So over where we use, you see the position. Okay. The thief jumped over the wall. Yesterday I studied for 3 hours. For how many hours? For 3 hours. Alright. Okay. Look at the cat under the table. Where is the cat? You see the pictures are all given. So it becomes very easy for you. Look for the cat under the table. Alright. Okay. So we have done exercise A, B, C and D we have done. Now you see here E. This one you are going to do it in the book itself. Okay. Each line of this story uses an incorrect preposition. Circle the incorrect preposition and write the correct ones on the blanks. So incorrect one you are going to circle and write the correct ones on the blanks. Okay. Like see number 1, it is already given. Daddy is sitting at the rocks. So not at the rocks. It will be on the rocks. Okay. Daddy is sitting on the rocks. Alright. Okay. Nishi is sitting in the big rock. So in you have to circle that because in you cannot use in there. In is wrong. Okay. Nishi is sitting on the big rock. Where is Nishi? Small. You see the picture is already given here. This is Nishi. Okay, sitting on the big rock. Alright. Nishi is sitting on the big rock. Mama is sitting with Mishi. Okay, under Mishi, no. Mama is sitting with Mishi, along with Mishi. Okay, so Mama is sitting with Mishi. You can use here Mama is sitting near Mishi. That also you can use according to your choice. You can use Mama is sitting with Mishi. Alright, under you circle it, that is wrong. The blue sky below. How can the blue sky be below? The blue sky above. It is always above us, the sky, the blue. So below you circle, that is wrong, and you write the correct one above. The blue sky above and the green grass on their paws look beautiful. So it cannot be on. It will be under. Okay. So the green grass under the paws look beautiful. Alright. Okay. Because always the grass is under the paws, you know. The legs and the hands of the, you see your lions, they are the paws. Okay. You see. Okay. They all love running under the rocks. No, they all love running on the rocks. Alright. Jumping at the hedges. When you jump like small bushes, so over the hedges it will be. Not at the hedges. That will be wrong. Okay. And hiding between the bushes and hiding behind the bushes. How can it be between? It will be behind the bushes. Alright. Okay. I am saying the correct ones. You please match. Daddy is sitting on the rocks. Nishi is sitting near the, Nishi is sitting on the big rock. Okay. Here also on. Daddy is sitting on the rocks. Nishi is sitting on the big rock. Mama is sitting with Mishi. The blue sky above and the green grass under their paws look beautiful. They all love running on the rocks. Okay, jumping over the hedges and hiding behind the bushes. Okay, children. So we have completed this lesson. We have done all the exercises. Okay, you please see the video and match all the exercises. Alright, children. Please go through this lesson, prepositions. Okay, thank you.